Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my new Minecraft tutorial. So today I want to show you how to install a hack client for Minecraft 1.7.2 and 1.7.4. I get tons of messages a day where people keep asking me about the installation, and so I wanted to do a updated in-depth tutorial on how to install them. I will show you this only for Windows, but on Mac it's basically the same, just the paths are a bit different, and there's a text tutorial in the description which tells you how to install them on Mac, and it shows you also the paths. Okay, so what do you need for the installation? You will need the premium version of Minecraft. It also works on the cracked version, but I won't support piracy. But if you have it, there's a great tutorial from a YouTube user in the description which tells you on how to install them for the cracked version. Further, you will need a hack client. There are a lot of sources on the internet which offer hack clients, but just make sure that you take a legit one like wizardhacks.com or anything else. Also, if you're a Mac user, make sure that the hack client is Mac compatible. Then you will need a tool to extract the zip file. I prefer WinRAR, it's a free trial version which you can download. And last but not least, just to make sure that everything will work, you will need the latest version of Java, which you can find on java.com, the link is also in the description. And if you have a 64-bit system, also make sure that you download and install the 32-bit version. Okay, so now when you have got all those things, then we can start the installation. Now the first thing you have to do is install WinRAR and Java, which you have downloaded before. Just to mention, WinRAR is also available for Mac. Then after you've done that, your zip file should look like this here. And now you can do a right click on the zip file and go to extract here. If you don't want to use WinRAR on Mac, you can use any other unzipping program you want to. And when you have extracted the zip file, then you should get a Rubix folder and a Mac OS X folder. Okay, so the Rubix folder is for Windows and the Mac OS X folder is for Mac. Then now let's take a look at the Rubix folder. Here in the Rubix folder we have another Rubix folder, and if you go in this folder you will see that there is a JSON file and a rubix.jar file, and those are really important for the hack client. And in the Mac OS X folder there's another Rubix folder and there is only a JSON file in there. So if you're a Mac user you have to copy the jar from the Windows folder to the Rubix Mac folder, okay? So this is really important, otherwise it will not work on Mac. Okay, so now you can close the Rubix folder, and now we have to open up our .minecraft folder. On Windows this is pretty easy. All you have to do is just go to the left bottom corner where the start button is, then click at the start button, and then just type %appdata%, just fill it in here and hit the enter button. And this will redirect you to the roaming folder, which is in the app data folder. And in this folder, there's also your .minecraft folder, okay? If you're using Windows 8 and you don't have a classic toolbar, then you just have to press the Windows button plus the R button, and this opens up this run menu here. And here you can also type %appdata%, then press OK or hit the enter button, and then you will also be in the roaming folder. And if both methods don't work for you, you can also manually open up this folder. Just go to C, your main hard drive, users, your username, app data, and then roaming, and then you should also be in this folder here. Now we have to search the .minecraft folder, which is mostly on the top. So now just double click and go in the .minecraft folder, and in this folder there should be the versions folder. Also double click it to get in it. Okay, so now we are in the versions folder, and as you can see I already copied in some hack clients, and what we now have to do is copy the Rubix folder which contains the jar and the JSON file into the versions folder. So go back to the Rubix folder, do a right click on it and go to copy, and make sure that you just copy the folder which contains the jar and the JSON file and not a folder which is above them, and now just paste it into the versions folder of the .minecraft folder. Okay, now it should look like this. In the Rubix folder there should be your jar and the JSON file, and the Rubix folder should be in the versions folder, which is in your .minecraft folder. When you have done that, you can open up Minecraft. So let's do this. And let's wait for it to load up. And now you go to the left bottom corner where it says new profile. Just click at it. And now go to profile name and rename your profile to anything you want to, for instance to the name of the hack client, so I will call it Rubix. And here just make sure that nothing is ticked, and also that the game directory is the directory where your .minecraft folder is. Then go down to use version, and here click at this little arrow here, and then scroll down or up until you can see release Rubix. Okay, so now click at it. Now just go to the right bottom corner where it says save profile and click at it once again. And now go to the left bottom corner, choose the Rubix profile, and then just hit the play button to start the hack client. And now let's see if it has worked. Okay, so it is loading up, just wait a second. And there we go. And as you can see, this is the Rubix hack client version 5.5 coded by Connor for the win. And as you can see, it has worked. So now a few tricks if the hack client is not working for you, because sometimes some hack clients get released as snapshots, and if that is the case, you have to go to Edit Profile. Then here you have to go to Enable Experimental Development Versions, also called snapshots, and just tick the box. And here press the yes button. Then you go to use version and then just check if you can see snapshot and your hack client. So here you can see snapshot 1.7.2 and so on. Okay, so if that also does not work for you, go to local version editor and check if you can see your release here. If you can't see your hack client here in the list and you're 100% sure that you have done everything correctly, then the best thing to fix this is just deleting your .minecraft folder, but before delete it, make a backup of it and then just reinstall Minecraft and do it once again. So just go back to your app data roaming folder and then just re-enter the .minecraft folder. If you want to, you can also create a shortcut of your .minecraft folder. Then go in your .minecraft folder and here just mark everything with your mouse or with Ctrl A. Then you create a new folder somewhere on the desktop and rename it to backup. So let's just do this, right click, new folder, let's call it backup, and just copy all those files here into your backup folder. So if anything goes wrong, you can easily copy back in your old Minecraft files. Also go back and delete your .minecraft folder. Okay, so now let's reopen the minecraft.exe file. So let's do this. And now once again, you have to log in with your Minecraft account. So I will do this here right now. And now just hit the play button to re-download the latest version of Minecraft, and this can take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection. When this is done, Minecraft will start up, and when it has started up, you can close it by pressing the X button. Now we have to re-enter the .minecraft folder, so let's do it. And now we go to the versions folder, and when we're in here, we have to copy in the Rubix folder once again, so let's do this. Just copy the folder which contains the jar and the JSON file, so let's just drag it in. And now, just to make sure that everything is correct, we will go to the hack client folder, so let's open it up. Here you go to the JSON file, then do a right click on it and go to edit or open with Notepad. Here you will see ID double point, and just make sure that the ID has exactly the same name like the JSON file, like the jar file, and like the folder. And this is also case sensitive, so make sure if there is a capital letter that all of the names have a capital letter. Then as you can see here it says type release. If it says snapshot, you can try to change it to release and save the JSON file. And if it says snapshots, you can leave it as snapshot, but you have to enable development versions in your Minecraft profile like I've shown you before. Okay, so now let's reopen Minecraft, and there we go. And now we just create a new profile by just going to the left top corner and clicking at new profile. And here once again rename your profile name to anything you want to, then you go down to use version and then you choose your hack client. And if you have a snapshot, be sure to enable experimental development versions and choose the snapshot. Now you can also go to your backup folder and copy your server list back in, your resource packs or your worlds. And this is why I said make a backup before deleting your .minecraft folder, otherwise everything would be gone. Also a common failure is that people take the wrong profile, so if I just press the play button without choosing a profile, then it will just take my old Minecraft profile. So if that happens to you, just quit the game, reopen Minecraft, and now just go to the left bottom corner and just click at this little arrow and choose the profile which contains the hack client. Now just hit the play button and then the hack client will start. So if you followed all steps correctly, then the hack client will start to 100%. If the game is crashing, then do what I told you. So make a backup for your .minecraft folder, delete it and do the installation once again. And if the game still crashes, then I would recommend that you try another hack client, because some hack clients are still alpha versions and they don't work on every PC. So now we are at the end of the installation tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask and leave a comment under this video and I will try to reply as soon as possible. So as always guys, thanks for watching and I hope to see you again in my next videos. Bye guys!